Get ready for some electrifying news, folks. The buzz on the street is that the upcoming Honor V Purse smartphone is set to blow our minds with its gigantic AMOLED display boasting a stunning 2K resolution. And hold on to your seats because it's not just any old resolution. We're talking a mind-boggling 2348 x 2016 pixels. Can you believe it? But wait, there's more. Our trusty source, Digital Chat Station, has spilled the beans on this revolutionary device, and while they've given us a taste of what's to come, they've left us hanging with the exact display size. The suspense is real. Now let's dive under the hood of this beast. Brace yourselves because the Honor V Purse is rumored to be fueled by none other than the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset, riding the cutting-edge TSMC 6N wave. This powerhouse of a chipset boasts a Kryo 670 Prime core, a speed demon clocked at a blazing 2.5 GHz. Not to mention, it packs not one, not two, but three Kryo 670 Gold cores, running at 2.2 GHz, and four Kryo 670 Silver cores, humming along at 1.9 GHz, all paired with an Adreno 642 GPU. It's like having a speedster under your fingertips. Oh, and before you catch your breath, there's more excitement in store. The V Purse is armed with a lightning-fast 35W charging tech that'll have your phone juiced up in no time. Stay tuned, folks. The Honor V Purse is coming to shake up the smartphone scene, and it's bringing a truckload of awesomeness with it.